I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the Multi-Award Winning Speed Screed. This YouTube channel is here to provide you with all the information you could ever want on Screed. With over 25 years experience in the business and the UK's leading authority on Screed. Here you will find videos on a wide range of subjects such as product explanations, comparing different products to decide which is best and which is best for you as an individual. Give you in-depth information on how Screed works, how fast products dry and which products work best with underfloor heating, and discuss all areas of the British standard at length. Talking about Screed preparation, membranes, acoustics, thermal insulation, and looking at Screed issues and problems, and much more. If you have your own questions, just let me know and I will record a video about it. This channel aims to make it the place to go for Screed information.